Hey guys, this is Frankie. 大家好，我是 Frankie, and welcome back to the 6th day of the 24 days till Christmas. Today is a very special video because it's made by Desy, and her video today is Mexican hot chocolate. Her tea of the day is forest fruit black tea. Well, take it over, Desy.
Hey everyone, it's Desy. So our tea today is our forest fruit black tea. It's a very tangy fruit tea. A friend of mine recommended it to me, said she used to drink it almost every day when she was in Poland. So we're going to let that go ahead and steep. It's a very tangy, very robust tea. It's a very aromatic tea. It has flavors of strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. I was told that I should put in a bit of lemon when drinking this. I have drank it with lemon, I drank it without lemon. I absolutely agree you should drink this with lemon. However, I don't have any lemon today, so we're just gonna let this steep for a bit, come back, take a sip. Alright, let's take a sip. It's very, very warm. Yeah. Okay, so I took 2 sips. Alright, let's make some hot chocolate. For this Mexican hot chocolate recipe, you're going to need milk, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, chili powder, cayenne pepper, and semi-sweet chocolate. Medium heat and add all of the ingredients except for the chocolate chips. Be careful when pouring the milk or you'll be like me and spill some on your stove. Here you see that I'm using almond milk. That's just because that's the milk I happen to have on hand. You can use whatever milk you like. I'm going to be using 2 ounces of chocolate chips instead of the 1 ounce that was in the recipe that I was following. The recipe said if you wanted a creamier hot chocolate to increase the amount of chocolate chips, so I added double. after all the whisking, I wasn't completely sure that the chocolate chips had melted entirely, so I used a ladle to see if I could scoop up any chocolate chip residue at the bottom of the pot. Plus, I just liked the way that the hot chocolate looked and sounded as I was spilling the ladle back into the pot. So, here are my thoughts on this recipe. One, it's very creamy and it's very sweet. So I think the next time I would either use less sugar or use a bittersweet chocolate. Second, I personally would like more spice to it. While there was a little bit of heat, I think it could have used a bunch more. So I might double the amount of chili powder and cayenne pepper. But overall, I give it 9 Christmas trees out of 10. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!